Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare and sow a new lawn. I'm going to be sowing this just to join up with the old lawn there, and then hopefully get some patio, chair, table, probably a pergola just to give some cover. So yeah, it's already been dug over, left it 2 weeks. I like to dig it over, leave it a couple of weeks, and anything that comes through, needs digging up. Plus it's had flowers in, there's a few bulbs there, but these are some delphiniums I forgot I'd even got, so I'll dig those up, plant those in the front. This is borage, I think. It's a medieval herb. As you can see here, you need to dig all this up. If you leave any roots in here, like these come back. But yeah, because I've not been very well, as you can see. It doesn't take much for the garden to start looking a mess. As it's a few weeks of not doing anything, and things just get all over the place. All that needs weeding, sorting out. Everything's dead in the greenhouse, unfortunately. All this needs weeding here. So yeah, today I'm going to be trying my best. I'm going to dig the rest of those up, and then what we're going to be doing is giving it a good rake over and stamp on it, get it nice and firm, and then sow some new grass seed. I'll show this seed I'm going to be using. But yeah, this is stuff I'm using. This is Miracle-Gro Evergreen Multipurpose. See here, this was less than a tenner. It says a rake, shake, water, 5 days result. I sow this all the way January, February, March, April, May in the spring, and then September, October in the autumn, because you don't want it too cold and you don't want it too hot. So this, we had plenty of rain over the last few days. I'll finish getting this ready, then we'll have a look at the seed, and I'll show you how to go about sowing some seed, just to connect one lawn to the next. Giving it a final rake over, and then I'm going to walk on it, stamp on it with his feet, just to level it, and then giving it a rake after that. So I've still got a few weeds to get out here. What you do then, you just walk over it. Right. Once that's been walked over, what I'm going to be doing then is give it a rake just to fill in any low spots, get any pebbles off the top. So we'll just go about, give it a rake now. As you can see, all that's been done. So I'll just go over to this corner, show you how I go about spreading my grass seed. I'm using, covers 14 square metres, so be plenty for this. Got a sieve out there, but I prefer doing it with my hand. Just straight first, so like this. So my best. There's the instructions there. A bit more down, that's better. Just check the. Yes, all you have to do then is get some in your hand. Don't want to put too much on. You always go over it again. Yeah, just backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. So you can just cover there. Just doing some more. Yeah. 2 weeks to get rid of this. I like to weed it to get over. Then we get a few weeks to see if any weeds are going to come up. Just a bit more to do here. Once that's been done like so, all I need to do then is give it a good rake over. In a second. What we're going to do now is just give it a good rake over. You don't want to rake it too hard. Just to cover the seeds a bit. Gently. Keep them moist. Always save a little bit of seed as well. In case you've got any old patches. You can put enough down. So yeah. That's it raked over. Last little bit to do here. Now what we're going to do now is just give it a quick water. And that should sell everything in then. So just give it a good spray. Like so. You don't want to put too much water on. You don't want to wash it away. Just moisten the first couple of inches of soil. That's why you don't do it in the May, beginning of June. You do it till September, otherwise it just dries out too quickly and the heat's too much for the seedlings. Doing it this time, you get enough time to get growing before winter. Yeah, save a little bit of seed. That way I can always go over and then patches it a little bit too thin. I'd rather put too little on than too much on. So yeah, that's how to go about preparing and sowing your grass seed. Like I said, it cost me less than £10 for that box, and it's going to do all of this, which is going to be great. I've still got that bit there to do. That's what it looked like before. Done up to there. I'll also finish off tomorrow. So if you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.